Good evening and welcome to Trending Tonight, the only show on primetime television where we care to explain the news behind the trend. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. Two stories that we are concentrating on. Story number one, there's a political tandav over this web series called Tandav. The central government has summoned the web series team. Meanwhile, Yogi Adityanath in UP has filed an FIR and has sent his police, dispatched them to Mumbai, also saying that let's see Uddhav Thackeray does not stop our team or does not support this group. Does the series, and you know the very basis of this tandav is whether the series hurts religious sentiments or not. So we'll put that out in the public domain. And even if that were the case, have our netas become too intolerant to art? Almost like touch-me-nots. Story number two, the world's largest vaccination drive is going on. It's been kicked off, going on for a while now. But there is an all-India turnout which remains a major cause of concern. There is fear that low turnout is leading perhaps to vials going waste. Of course, there is no confirmation for this. But how will the government tide over this initial apprehension? Because if members of the medical fraternity are apprehensive, then how do you convince others? So is this a big responsibility that the government has to get over not of the pandemic but also of an infodemic, as many scientists are now calling it? So these two stories are going to be our top focus, but on the Tandav, on this web series called Tandav, let's first make you listen in to JDU's KC Tyagi. He spoke to me in an earlier broadcast and tried to put this in perspective. That this is, perhaps it appears as if this is much ado about nothing. Let's listen in.
मेरे जमाने में न जलूस निकला, न हड़ताल हुई, न पत्थरबाजी हुई, न कोई सेना आई, न एफआईआर हुई। तो एक दौर ये हमारे जमाने का ये भी था। अब जो अश्लीलता की बात आती है, मैं आपसे बहुत नम्र भाव में कहना चाहता हूं कि सूर्य का टेम्पल है मध्य प्रदेश में, हमारे मित्रों ने शिकायत की है। तो सूर्य देवता का टेम्पल है कोणार्क में। मैं 1 दर्जन बार गया हूं, डॉक्टर लोहिया भी जाते थे। जिस तरह की वहां पर मूर्तियों की मुद्रा हैं, तो पहले तो उसी को तुड़वाना चाहिए। उसके बाद खुजराहो का है, मध्य प्रदेश के हमारे मित्र शिकायत कर रहे हैं। अजंता अलोरा के लिए किसको आप दोषी ठहराओगे?
And then in the broadcast, KC Tyagi also listed out many dialogues and songs from movies in the 60s, 70s, 90s. Are we to believe that we were far more progressive as a society in the 60s, 50s, 70s, 80s, 90s? And what has happened to us now? You want to object to the series? Watch the series. If you don't like the content, for instance, I'll give you my personal example. I feel that, the storyline was remarkably poor. But to object to the series itself, to say basically that don't make this series, FIR if you make a series like this. Have our politicians become a bunch of touch-me-nots? Let's now quickly put this to a short discussion. PKD Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP. Mayank Shekhar, film critic, and Saba Naqvi, author and a senior journalist. Thank you very much for joining us. Mr. Asif Bamla of the BJP may also join us in just a short moment. Mayank, what do you make of this hullabaloo?
Well, I don't know what to make of it, honestly speaking, because I have been trying to read up on exactly what the objections pertain to. There is one objection being raised to the fact of the lead character being called Shiva, who happens to be Mohammad Zishan Ayub. Now, to the best of my knowledge, the way I saw it as a viewer, I think Shiva was actually an ode to a film called Shiva, which has everything to do with campus politics. It was made in 1990 by Ram Gopal Verma, and it seemed like Shiva is being named after another Shiva, which completely makes sense as a tribute of sorts. Then there is some reference being made to a play that happens in the series,
yes,
where the gods are talking, and it's supposed to be a parody of that nature. I mean, the greatest comedic scene in the history of Indian cinema is the Mahabharata scene from Jani-Bhi-Do-Yaro, which in fact this could well have been also an ode to, because it's happened. The character is playing an actor within the particular series and playing the gods, of course. And we've had that in 1983 I do not remember anyone reporting anyone being offended by it. Quite clearly, something is being made out of nothing. My suspicion is, it's a faint suspicion, but it comes with fair amount of evidence involved, is that there is a concerted campaign to make it seem like the public really wants censorship on OTT platforms, on the basis of which the government in itself will act upon it, and therefore, because they've been meaning to. Before this, we had, there were discussions on sex and violence in Mirzapur. Before that, A Suitable Boy, one random scene. Again, I couldn't even remember exactly the scene
I've
they were
got the
talking
list
about.
right here, Mayank.
Right,
A Suitable Boy, which streamed on Netflix, earned the ire for a scene showing a Muslim boy kissing a Hindu girl in the backdrop of a temple. People said that this is love jihad conspiracy. Then Ashram series, people said there are allegations of caste discrimination. FIR was lodged under SC/ST Act. Patal Lok, allegations of discrimination. Wrong image of Sikh community shown. Gorkha community asks for an apology. Then you have films that stirred row, and I can just start naming them. Padmavat, Hindu Sarkar, Parzania, release of, and in the olden times, release of movies like Andhi and Kissa Kursi Ka. I mean, this politicians behaving like touch me nots, they're united by this. It's not a sole preserve of the BJP, it seems, Sabha Naqvi. It seems all political parties do this. Do you think that they do it as some sort of a diversionary tactic?
So, no, I think the OTT platform is where I would pick this up from. I think the OTT platform, they're based on this genre of gritty sort of, they set these stories in a context of some kind of political context. I've seen a bit of Tandav. It's not it's not as good as a Sacred Games or a Mirzapur.
I agree with you, Sabha.
Absolutely. I mean, I watched it only because
the storyline is extremely poor, but that is no reason to lodge FIRs.
Yeah, exactly.
Say that
and
people will
so
go to jail.
I think the OTT platforms is a reason to get really annoyed. And I think some of the kind of people who file FIRs and who threaten filmmakers, they're the kind of people who would only like maybe mythological cinema to be shown, and none of this gritty realism and this obsession with Muslims. Let me just put it out here. A BJP politician called Kapil Mishra, who we are all familiar with, has on Twitter asked, he is named the director, who's a Muslim. He's named Saif, who's a Muslim. He's named Muhammad Zishan Ayub, who's a Muslim. And actually beyond Saif, I don't know that much about cinema. So I looked up who these guys were. And he has named them and said, why don't they make things insulting the religion they grew up with? So there's such a sort of complicated thing here. It's such a chip on the shoulder. How dare these Muslims do it? So,
No, what do you think about what Mayank is saying? Mayank says that this is a larger conspiracy, perhaps to rein these OTT platforms in.
I think so. I agree with Mayank entirely, but I think there's also this pretty much on open display. कि मुसलमान कैसे कर सकता है? That is also come, वो पेट से निकल आया है. वो बात जो लोग छुपा के रखते थे, यार हम लोग कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये मुसलमान कैसे कर सकता है? वो अब पेट में अब छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं. वो भी निकल के आया. I'm sorry, I'm mixing up the languages because you can't express this so well in English.
No, I know.
That
I know what you're
just
saying.
want it out there. That is also an element here.
I also saw your tweet where you said that the real people who should take objection to this series is people from the JNU, because the sort of depiction that has been shown.
No, that was not me. That was somebody else. But yeah, you're getting mixed up. We all see so many tweets. Yeah, I don't think anybody. Look, it's a fairly. It's not. It's very interesting to me because unknown people have made these really gritty things on OTT platform. This director has apparently made Salman Khan blockbusters, but I don't think he's got the nuance required
very
for a long
poorly
OTT
executed series.
Yeah.
Very poorly executed. Perhaps they could not match, the writing could not match the scale of their imagination. But again, as I said, all of that is criticism, right? Something that a Mayank Shekhar will do in his write-ups. This does not mean that you start lodging FIRs. Asif Bhamla as well as PKD Nambiar, let's listen to the other side of the story also. Mr. Bhamla, let me come to you. Why, I ask, why? What is the need?
You see, it's, I mean, we've been seeing, like we mentioned, that films like Padmavat and Indu Sarkar, they have always been in the reign of, criticism. And especially, I think this OTT platform is creating a sort of a damage. I mean, I wouldn't support, this arrangement of any religion community, any religion or any religious sentiment that is being heard per se. I mean, be it for the like, for example, in this film, it relates with Lord Shiva, and not only that. I mean, we've seen that in the past also. There have been films and series on Prophet Muhammad also, which have have been which have had certain derogative content. So now I think the central government, I think in between, was wanting to get this into the ambit under the central control censor board, you see, as far as the film certification arrangement was there, so that there is a little, control over the language, over the content also. I mean, even if it's not at times I see, even if it's not if it's not a religion affair, the language that is being used, I mean, to see in certain films, I wouldn't name a lot of films because, I mean, I'm
no, Mr. Bhamla, see, my point is, one more, Mr. Bhamla, you have brought in too many things.
I know.
Right? Too many things, and none of these things justify going hammer and tongs against the series, so much so that there are FIRs, so much so that the media advisor to, the most populous state, Uttar Pradesh, says, a media advisor to the chief minister says, our police is going to Mumbai. You will face the consequences. Arrest will happen soon. Why? Why should arrest happen?
No.
You tell me what is derogatory. PKD Nambiar, very quickly. Mr. Nambiar, let's just stick to this series. You tell me in this series, what is derogatory?
I have not completed, actually. Sanket, I have not completed. Actually.
Yeah, I'll come back to you, Mr. Bhamla. One moment. Yes. Mr. Nambiar.
Okay.
Sanket, such a casual way, all the panelists, including you, have presented this whole topic. I feel seriously feeling very sad being a Hindu, that if my God is being portrayed in such a bad light, कोई त्रिशूल पकड़ के गाली दे रहे हैं और आपको उसके कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, तो मुझे आपत्ति है. मुझे लगता है कि मेरे विश्वास के ऊपर किसी को भी
गाली दी? Can you tell me which? See, have you seen the series? Have you
I have seen the series. I have seen the series.
Okay, so I have also seen the series. Can you tell me which part was there an abuse?
आपको मैं बता देता हूँ ना संकेत, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सबा नकवी जी ने बोला कि
if there was a gali, I would have joined you in criticizing. I would have joined you. I would have said that this is in fact, I'm telling you, it's a terrible series.
I can tell you. You want
Sabha
me to hear
and I agree with you. It's a terrible series.
Make you hear that?
Yeah.
Sanket, I can make you hear that right now on my phone. I will tell you the first scene wherein the Shiva was shot. Firstly, let me ask you this. Why this making Hindu god and goddesses and mocking them is becoming a fashion? Why not the other religions are not being treated in the same level?
Mr. Nambiar, did you hear Mayank Shekhar? I guess we were far more progressive in the 80s.
Don't treat it such a light way, Sanket.
Mr. Nambiar, this is not a light conversation. It's a very serious conversation. And that's why I'm asking you. Mr. Nambiar, one moment. Let's calm down because I can outshout you. I won't. Let's have a calm and peaceful conversation.
Okay.
You tell me, one moment. Mr. Nambiar, you said that there was something objectionable, right? The manner in which Hindu gods were treated. This is a work of art, right? You can take objection. No, one moment. You can take objection. You can. It is your right to take objection. It is not your right to create a situation where you will become a touch-me-not, where you will become chui-mui, that every little thing will hurt you, so much so that you want to file FIRs, jail people. By this logic, you should retrospectively file an FIR against the makers of Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro also. Do it.
Sanket, now you will give me a minute and you
like retrospective tax, you file a retrospective FIR.
I am not going to talk about the FIR, which is right or wrong. There is nothing. But then
that's exactly what I am talking about. You want to take objection to the series? I also object to the series. It's a very poor series. its
I don't
storyline
know,
is
yeah,
poor.
whether you have
But that is
Sanket,
no
there are
reason.
thousands of
That is
movies
no
are made in
reason
this
to file an
country. Some of them
FIR.
are superhit, some of them are bad. We are not talking about that. Whether it is a poorly, creatively done work, how does it matter to all of us? We are not going to. We don't discuss that in national television. That if a movie or an OTT movie is been released is doing bad. Give me 1 minute. I just wanted to ask you one simple question.
Sure.
The kind of way we have been treating this as such a light way. Tell me one reason why the Hindu God or Hindu belief system is being mocked in one after another.
Can you name
the
other
religion?
examples?
Can I get it?
This country has got more than 25% or 26% of Muslims are there in this country. Why
Mr.
that
Nambiar,
religion
you know
is
what?
not
I don't
50%?
understand.
I just want to make one.
Can you please give me
Sanket, let me
specifics?
come in here.
Mr.
He's
Nambiar,
dying
can
to
you
make
give
it a
me
Muslim
specifics?
issue.
Or is this
Why
also another version of love jihad?
This is not at all the right thing. Making Hindu god and goddesses
Okay,
and mocking
I want to
them.
say something.
It
No,
No,
really
is
must.
Mr. Nambiar,
based
one
on
more.
a light-
Sabha Naqvi
Perfect
wants to
for
come
them,
in. Okay,
but
fine.
not
See,
Mr.
Mr. Nambiar
Nambiar
has a sentiment.
Mr. Nambiar, first of
I
all,
have to
Muslim
respect the
population
fact
is
that he has this
14%.
sentiment.
Just
But
Muslim
Sabha Naqvi-
population is 14%.
Yeah.
I have felt
Yeah.
very
Sabha
ashamed,
Naqvi-
even though
Sabha
I'm a
Naqvi,
liberal Indian.
no,
I
आप
feel
एक बात
very
पूछो।
ashamed when I
One
hear
by one,
about
please.
bans
Order,
on
please, one by one.
Salman.
क्यों नहीं होगा? जब आपको इतना कैजुअली आप सभाजी आप कह सकते हैं कि यार
मैं
एक
बोल रही हूँ
शिवा
आपको
भगवान
पॉपुलेशन बता रही हूँ आप
शिव
मेरी बात सुन
भगवान
लीजिए फिर
अरे
आप कह
सभाजी,
दीजिए मैं तमीज से
त्रिशूल
कह रही हूँ
पकड़ के
14%
अगर कोई
है
गाली देता है
25 नहीं है
आपको तकलीफ
मुसलमान
नहीं होगा ये होता है
आपको
ये
सुकून
होता है।
मिलेगा कि सिर्फ
मुझे होता है।
14% मुस्लिम है
And
इंडिया
आप
में
बोलोगे आप
अभी
सिर्फ
25 नहीं
secularism
हुए
only
अब मेरी बात सुन
applicable
लीजिए
है।
आराम
Okay,
से
we're wasting time.
मैं
We are
मुस्लिम के
wasting
खिलाफ
time.
बोलने वाली हूँ आप खुश हो
One
जाएंगे
by one,
सुन के।
please. Please, Mr.
Number
Nambiar, one by one.
Sanket, I'll make the point here.
Very
I feel
quickly.
very ashamed.
Very quickly.
I have felt very
Race
ashamed
against
when
time,
I've
please.
heard of bans on books. I am a complete liberal. I have felt very ashamed and I was so
What is
glad that I
liberalism?
lived in a
What
country
is liberalism?
where you
Sabaji,
had Jane Bhi
does
Do
liberalism
Yaro,
to you
where
mocking
you
Hindus?
had bhajans written by
Liberalism,
Shakil
all the
Badayuni, music made by
Hindu
Naushad,
God-
sung by Mohammed Rafi. I was proud of all that. But now we are living in a different country. I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed when clerics ask ki uske khilaf Charlie Hebdo, when they issue fatwas. I feel very ashamed as a citizen of the world, as a human being, as a thinking person. So I'm amazed at all of these people who are who want to be like this.
Yeah.
They are
Ve-
getting
ve-
offended
very
over
quickly.
nothing.
Yes,
so
very
that's
quickly.
all I have
Mayank
to say
Shekhar.
to this gentleman.
Nothing. Oh my
Mayank Shekhar,
God,
very
Sanket,
quickly.
this is so
One
bad.
moment. I think
Sanket,
Mayank Shekhar raised a
Sanket,
very
this is
important point. He's
absolutely
saying
not
that there
right.
is some
How
nefarious
can you
design.
say this?
Mr. Nambiar, Mayank Shekhar says that this is nothing but a strategy, that you are
Sanket,
objecting
I
to
run
this
a
because you
creative
want to
agency.
control
I run an
OTTs.
advertising agency. I understand the meaning of what is freedom of expression. I understand the meaning of what is creativity. You don't tell me this. What is creativity? I have hundreds of people working me in my own advertising agency. I understand
Sure.
that. What is all
So, I
problem
mean-
here is, Sanket, is that एक कोई शिव भगवान का रूप बना के मौकरी बनाकर आप त्रिशूल लेके गाली देते हो एंड आप
कहाँ
कहते हो उसको
गाली?
क्रिएटिव
That's
अब
exactly
मैंने
what I'm
बोला ना,
asking.
बंद कर दीजिए
this country, my dear friend.
नहीं, नहीं,
आप
नहीं.
That
बंद
kind of
कर दीजिए
creativity
आप
is
my-
moral
my-
police बन
My-
गए
Do
by
that
the way,
for other reasons.
the makers have apologized. And I don't know, I have seen the series completely. मुझे तो गाली नहीं दिखी opening
I have
scene
seen
में.
two. I have seen two. I will show you right now on the show right now. You just take this the first scene in the movie
Yeah.
wherein आप एक डायलॉग तो सुन लो ना. आजकल राम जी का ज्यादा चल रहा है. राम जी का फॉलोवर्स बहुत ज्यादा बन रहा है. शिव जी क्यों पीछे पड़ा हुआ है? Come on, Sanket. This much of
No, but come on.
Creativity,
we are
but
all
कल
living
को
in this.
कल को आप
There's a
बच्चों के
parallel
fancy
one.
dress पे भी problem करेंगे.
क्यों नहीं?
Tomorrow
नहीं,
you will
मेरा-
raise. See, there is no end to this. Very quickly,
Right.
नहीं,
Mayank
नहीं,
Shekhar.
Sanket,
Yeah,
Sanket,
so-
on a serious
Yeah.
note, Sanket, one thing I wanted to ask you, Sanket. The only thing is that why, whenever we talk about, I consider myself as a liberal person. I am not a fundamentalist. At
Please
least
don't
this
call
much
yourself
I-
liberal, sir, after all that,
But
please.
only one thing why I wanted
understand
to
all
tell you
creativity
is
also.
that, no, I'm only saying that why this freedom of expression, freedom of creativity only comes when you mock on Hindu god and goddesses. Why only an
Okay.
attack on the Hindu belief
Let's
system?
get in
not on
a
anyone else?
response. I'm
Why
running
don't
out of
you show
time.
a-
Mayank Shekhar,
why don't
last
you
word,
show-
please.
Yeah,
why don't you show
I
a
think
pro-
my
There
what I
is
start with,
nobody can even
Sanket, is
take a
something
word
I
like
hold
that, Sanket.
as and you see a certain sequence going on effectively the conversation that we were having a few months back was how there should be self-regulation. There should be some regulation so far as OTT content is concerned. How they're going to do it was not told to us. Now, why only OTT? It should be entire internet, therefore. But in September 2020, there were 15 top OTT platforms that sat down and put down a model code of conduct in terms of how they will regulate content, that appears in their platform.
Yeah.
The government that right now, as we speak, does
No,
not
but then
have
this
any
is
legal
also a
authority
reality.
to enter that space. They said no.
I'm not batting for Mr. Nambiar or Mr. Bamla, but there is also this tendency increasingly, thoda sa gali dal do. Do something which will upset people. And
Fair
frankly,
enough.
frankly, this series would have sunk without a trace had this controversy not have happened. It's such a poorly done series.
It's a call you take. You can certainly write about it, as people like us do. You can tweet about how you're really upset with something.
Sure.
The question here is not that. The question
You
is
can't lodge
asking for a
FIRs.
ban. The question is putting an FIR.
Absolutely.
The question is UP police sending people to Bombay, creating an atmosphere of fear. That is what we have an issue with.
That's
right?
not
Of
right.
course,
Okay.
Yeah.
I've run out of time. Thank you very much, ladies and
Thank
gentlemen,
you.
for joining us on this first discussion. Story number 2 is very, very important, and I'm going to take time now to discuss that. Vaccination by numbers. The drive has kicked off, but there seems to be a turnout problem. Why is this? Why is there this inhibition? I have with me Dr. S.K. Sareen, Director of ILBS. Dr. Sareen, you can see those figures on your screen right now. We'll keep running this infographic on the side, and we introduce Dr. Sareen now. Dr. Sareen, why? Why do you think that a situation like this has happened? That in state after state, you have a compliance of 87, 85, 74. Then in Tamil Nadu, it's really low. 54% in Delhi, Punjab 23%. This is really low.
Well, Sanket, thank you for calling, and I do agree with the figures, but it is still encouraging compared to what I had been reading and contacting my friends in the US. US had planned that by 7th of January, they would be vaccinating 17.5 million, and they ended up just 5.1 million. Less than one third of the total number. So I don't think India is doing bad. If you are doing 70% of the anticipated, I don't think it is bad. Yes, I do agree. If it was 100%, all of us would have said, wow, what a great country, what a great community, what a great drive. So I am not disappointed with that. And I think part of this, what you also said, was some kind of mixed feeling between those who are healthcare workers. They know a lot about COVID. They have been struggling for this. So there could be some feelings about the type of vaccine or the dosage or the side effects. But I think there is enough data now to say that the vaccines are safe. Vaccines are effective or not, vaccines would be giving enough antibodies, only time can tell, but they are certainly safe. I'll tell you what is called as a rolling review process. This is the process which is used for all emergency usages. A rolling review is while you are doing it and you are also getting the data back in emergency situations, whether it was China, whether it was Russia, whether it was UAE or other countries, they did a rolling review process. So I think that's what India is doing. Both vaccines are safe, and I don't think there should be any hesitancy in this.
Yes. Dr. Sareen, I want to ask you, so you're saying that you would not be very concerned, but yes, these numbers should have been higher. Now, what do you think can be done? Because, we were speaking to CSIR DG, Dr. Mande, and he said that not just the pandemic, in this phase, you have to also manage something called an infodemic. Send the right information. And if healthcare workers are responding this way, what really needs to be done to instill that sense of confidence among the rest of the people when the vaccine is rolled out?
Three parts of it. One is what can increase the number. I think we all have a tendency, rather a mental block. 100% is over. There can be nothing over 100%. Believe me, this is not the way the world goes. You can go above 100%. Why can't people overshoot the targets? Give them a target of 125%. Those vaccination sites can achieve 125%. Yes, means those who